Hello dear friends, and a very warm welcome to this insightful class presented by the Tatvamasi Institute, where we are going to deeply discuss the crucial topic of awareness, exploring precisely what awareness truly is, and subsequently how you can effectively increase your own personal awareness, your profound consciousness, so that you can ultimately gain more comprehensive control over your life and your mind. Awareness or consciousness is truly a kind of profound magic, a truly magical and powerful tool that genuinely gives you the incredible power to effectively control your own mind, that truly gives you the remarkable ability to have even more significant and meaningful control over your entire life. And most importantly, it genuinely gives you the essential capacity to thoughtfully choose between what is right and what is wrong. That's why it's very important for you to stay aware and to increase your awareness, your consciousness. In this video, we're going to learn how to increase our awareness, our consciousness, and for this, I'm going to provide you with a special method. So make absolutely sure to stay right till the very end of this important video. In this incredibly fast-paced and ever-evolving world of advanced artificial intelligence and AI, most of us are practically living our daily lives half asleep, almost unconsciously. If I were to say this to you, you might understandably feel a little offended, but isn't it profoundly true deep down? If you take a moment to genuinely look at your consistent behavior patterns, your established lifestyle, and your typical days over the past few days, you'll notice they're almost precisely the same. Day in and day out, we consistently wake up at nearly the exact same time each morning, diligently do our particular routine tasks at the very same time, and then proceed to go to bed at about the same time every night. In this predictable and repetitive way, we are almost entirely living our lives in a continuous, unconscious, sleepwalking state without truly being present. So what exactly can we do to significantly increase our overall awareness, to become much more consciously present, and to effectively bring about some positive and meaningful change into our daily lives? Outcome-based thinking is a comprehensive process through which you can truly live your entire life with significantly greater awareness and intentionality. Let's understand what outcome-based thinking is. If you ask yourself the question, what do I want in my future? If you ask, what do I want from my life? And then by looking at that and thinking about it, you decide your present actions, it will significantly increase your awareness. So truly, right questioning is the powerful method that genuinely gives you the profound ability to effectively control your entire life and your very own mind. So you should ask yourself,